Hello guys, welcome to Vikrant Tech. Today we have 8 GPU mining server case. So this server have 8 fans, 4 in the front side and 4 in the back side. And there we have the back side of the server. And this is our power supply. This is a 2000 watt power supply. Let me open the top panel. Before opening the top panel, let me give you the dimensions of this server. So this server is around 68 centimeter in the length, around 44 centimeter in breadth, and the height of this server is around 18 centimeter. So now let's open the top panel and give me the inside overview of the server, how to connect the cables, what are the power supply capacity, how many graphic cards we can install in this one. Let's talk about that. And there we have the top view of the server. So let me explain everything one by one. So these are some cables to power on the graphic cards. These are the 8-pin cables. These are the 8-pin cables, dual 8-pin. So we can connect 8 graphic cards, or we can power around 8 graphic cards from these cables. These are total 8 cables, and with enough length to power all the GPU, it can reach very easily. And there we have 6 cables, in which 4 of them will power our motherboard, these 4, and this 6-pin connector and this 6-pin connector will help us to power this module, through which we can adjust the speed of the fans in the front side as well as in the back side. By using this white knob, by moving it clockwise and anti-clockwise, we can adjust the speed of all the fans. And this one, we have a riserless motherboard. We don't have to connect any risers. Directly we can connect the graphic cards in these slots. This is a riserless motherboard with 8 PCI slot, and the slot spacing between 2 PCI is 65 to 70 centimeter. So we can connect any of the graphic card in this server from 1660 to 3090. For LHR cards, we have different server case. You can contact our team for the same. So let's go ahead, and there we have the battery in the motherboard, and this is a 64 GB M2 SATA NVMe, in which we will run our HiveOS or Windows accordingly. And there we have the CPU fan, and 4 GB RAM is already installed in this motherboard. So the system is ready to plug and play. Also, let's have a look on the power supply of this motherboard. So there we have 2000 watt Rev 2.0 OC power supply. So this power supply is a server grade power supply which can run 24/7 non-stop and at a very low sound. This is a silent version of this power supply. So this is our power supply, where we need to connect our cable and turn it on. And there we have motherboard slots. So this is our LAN cable, where we have to connect our LAN cable. Using these 4 USB ports, we can connect keyboard and mouse. And this is our where we can connect our screen through VGA cable. It's a very plug and play system. It's basically a plug and play system. Now let me show you how to connect a graphic card in the same and run it. So today we are using 3090 RTX 3090 24 GB graphic card in the server. Let's connect this. I have already taken out the graphic card from the box, and this is like huge graphic card. Let's connect this graphic card in the slot, and let's see if it runs or not. So for connecting the graphic card, what we have to do, just hold the graphic card from the top and start from the left side, connect it into the slot, and just hold it here and put a screw. You will receive zip tie and screw packet with this server. when you place an order with Vikrant Tech. After aligning the screw, what we will do, we will tighten it up. Now we need two 8-pin connectors to power this motherboard, this graphic card. So there we have 8 cables. So let's take the longest cable and take it to the graphic card, and let's power that on. So what you have to do, you need to connect it like this firmly. You need to hold the graphic card from the bottom and then press it from the top. After connecting with the cable, it will look something like this. You can press it to the downside and close the cabinet from the top. And that's how you can connect 8 graphic cards in this motherboard. But for 3090, what we have to do, we need to change the power supply. This is a 2000 watt power supply. Instead of running 2000 watt power supply, we have to give you 3000 version, so that you can run 8 3090s graphic card in this server. And the sound of this server is very less. Let me turn on the server and let me show you. A lot of people say that we will connect the graphic cards very closely. There will be an issue of the heating in the graphic cards. But there will be no such issues, because we have already 8 fans in this motherboard. In this server chassis, we have 8 fans. And we can even adjust the speed and the sound of the whole system by using this knob. Now here I have just connected the LAN cable, because I have already configured this NVMe on my HiveOS account, so I don't have to connect the keyboard and screen in the system. After connecting the LAN cable, I have to connect the power cord and turn on the server. And look at the sound. There is hardly any sound in this server. There is hardly any sound in this server. Like, this one is looking beautiful. Just to show you guys, I have connected my monitor with the server, and I have installed one 3090 graphic card in this one. And there we have one 3090 showing G4 RTX 3090 24GB. And let me configure this graphic card on HiveOS, and let me show you the overclocks and temperature. So there we have our 3090 giving around 117 megahash right now, and the temperature is just 46. The power consumption is 300 watt and the fan speed is 70. Core is -300, memory 2000. And it's running really stable, and the sound is really less. Like, it's no sound. Like, it's like running a computer. And if we want to increase the fan speed, we can just like this. We can use this knob to adjust the speed of the fans. Very easy. And this is how it will look when we connect 4 graphic cards. Stable system. So guys, if you want to place an order for this server, you can order with us on Vikrant Tech, and we will provide you the fastest delivery with the secure payment. Thank you very much.